In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create a PowerPoint countdown timer. Launch PowerPoint and create 2 additional slides. Type the Start Slide caption on the first slide and the End slide on the last one. Click on the empty slide and delete all labels from it. Use the oval tool to draw a big circle and a smaller one. To draw a circle instead of an oval, hold the Shift key while drawing. Use the Quick Styles drop-down list to select the desired visual style for the big circle. Select the big circle. Then go to the Animation tab and select the wheel animation in the Exit section of the Add Animation drop-down list. Select the With Previous option from the Start drop-down list. Then set the duration to 5 seconds. Select the smaller circle and select the needed visual style. Then use the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V keyboard shortcuts to make copies of the circle. You need 5 small circles in total for the 5-second timer. Type the labels on them from 5 down to 1. You should now select the Disappear Animation type in the Exit section of the Add Animation drop-down list for each of the smaller circles, and choose With Previous option from the Start drop-down list. In addition, it is vital to set the delay time for each of them. Circle 5 should have a 1-second delay. Circle 4 should have a 2-second delay, and so on. When you are done, move all small circles to the center of the big one. Then, align the resulting timer on the slide. Select the Slideshow tab and click on From the Beginning button to check the final result. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.